Hello everybody. Today we're going to be learning an exciting piece. We're going to be learning a house track by DJ Kabza the Small and DJ Maporisa, the piece entitled Bella Ciao. I hope you're going to enjoy learning this piece. I'm going to play through the whole melody and then we're going to go back and break it down. Right, that's the whole melody for the piece Bella Ciao. Now let's try and break it down. So it starts off on the note E, going to F sharp. We are now in the key of E minor, so we're going to be making use of the F sharp instead of the normal F. So you're going to go E, F sharp, G, E. E, F sharp, G, E. And the rhythm is, so we're going to go E, F sharp, G, E. So you're going to do that twice through. Now third time, you're going to go again, E, F sharp, G, and then F sharp, E, G, F sharp, E, G. Let's try that again. E, F sharp, G, F sharp, E, G. You do that twice. Let's try that again. E, F sharp, G, F sharp, E, G. Third time you go F sharp, E, B, B, B. So E, F sharp, G, F sharp, E, G. Third time F sharp, E, B, B, B. Next up A, B, C, C. Okay, A, B, C, C. And then that is C, B, A, B, G. Again, C, B, A, B, G. And then the last one, A, G, F sharp, B, G, F sharp, E. A, G, F sharp, B, G, F sharp, E. Right, from the top now. One more time. Right, for the next part, the piccolo is going to be playing this melody. Right, and these are the notes from the left E, and then E, D, B. E, D, B. One more time. E, D, then B. After that you go to F sharp and go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So E, D, B, F sharp. E, D, B, F sharp. E, D, F sharp. Right, after that the melody goes back to the first one. Then the second melody. right. So those are the two main melodies for the piece Bella Ciao. I hope you enjoy learning this piece on the piccolo. Thank you for watching this episode. Please click on the link to our website, or you can watch some of our other videos here. If you enjoyed the videos, please like and subscribe. This is going to help us to create more awareness and to share skills.